on Facebook.
It's not going on Facebook, it's going on YouTube.
Yeah, where everybody can see it.
Hey, everybody's here.
No.
Well, besides Kameron. So
That's
Kameron,
not what I'm saying.
if you don't show up,
Ryan, we got more families in it. Everybody will say, well, where's mine? Where's mine? Where's mine? Where's mine?
well, oh well. I RSVP for this.
Oh, I bought it already cut up. Like,
all this stuff, and then
you gotta have
so I put all that.
Is that
Doth go forth.
See that?
My gum broke apart.
Yeah.
And everyone else is like, oh, that's all right. Well, one, we
Ryan,
and it's a hernia.
if you do this, this is not split.
I'm off my
If you do
tangent.
this,
Yeah, that's bad.
this
But
is not split.
he found out through the grapevine. Apparently, he's like, wow.
If you do this, this is a split, and you could do it all the way down.
Still waiting on the doctor.
Is that right?
The reason why he didn't lay off the last segment.
He's getting a hold
You can like jump, 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 jump.
He said his house. His house.
Alright, guys. We're leaving dinner. And I'm stuffed. Fried chicken. Huh?
I said I'm not stuffed, but I ate plenty.
There goes JoJo.
I don't know why we didn't just ride with him. Or him right
Well, we
with
don't
us.
know when he was going to leave.
Mamo actually forgot to invite him. What? He already knew. Put your seatbelt on. Yep.
Guys, you know, I know I just got done saying that I was full. But you see here, we have a scoops. And
My face is
we're
probably
fat, so...
the same color. I didn't eat that much. I didn't finish my breast, and I didn't finish my mac and cheese, and that's all I got. Like, Uncle Tim finished my breast. You're such a kid.
Just the way that you said that.
I got one to, like, I'm bringing one home so I can eat it tomorrow whenever I get off work before I take you, because I don't want to, like, I don't want to cook until I get Emily, and I get Emily at 4, but then we're going to Walmart, so I don't know what she's gonna want. I should have asked her today. Probably just like McDonald's. Probably McDonald's.
Superman, I haven't had this in a long freaking time.
Are you recording? We cut this part out. I don't know what to say.
Wait. Can you wait a second?
Okay.
I'm taking a while for yours.
I swear, I always do the dumbest shit when you're recording.
Alright guys, so I need to get a pair of wood gloves so I can get this wood ready to go. Oh, I guess these will work. Use my back pocket. Grab these chairs. And then we'll go back here. Pretty sure we're gonna sink through because it's pretty muddy. But yeah, this is the backyard. There's a shit ton of the wolf spiders all in that. But yeah. I'm gonna start getting stuff set up real quick. What are you doing, Chloe? Huh? What are you doing? Huh?
Look how jealous Bee's getting. Look at her. She's like perked up and she's like that. Look at her. She's like, I'm not jealous. You're jealous. Here she comes. Bee's like, no, you're my human.
Human.
It's alright, Bee. You're not being replaced. It's only here for a month.
Oh. Chloe. Oh, you come running here, don't you? Alright guys, so I just came back in from sent out by the fire. I couldn't get it to start. I was going to have work friends come over tonight, but that ain't happening because it's still raining. But I'm going to go ahead and end it. I'm just going to sit here and listen to music. But yeah, hope you guys had a good day. I had a pretty good day. But if you haven't yet, like, subscribe, click that bell to stay notified. Oh, and add me on Snapchat because that's where all my behind the scenes stuff goes on. Because like you guys been able to see Monday night because they were here, but you can't now. Anyways, remember to stay redneck and damn proud. Bye.